Unveiling an icon. Hilton, Residences Dubai Maritime City. The ultimate waterfront address where life unfolds across 360 degrees of uninterrupted views. A sanctuary of calm, anchored in the rhythm of the waves and elevated by the legacy of Hilton. Signature, amenities, unparalleled hospitality, curated interiors, every window opens to inspiration. Every space is crafted with precision and grace. For those who expect more than luxury, for those who live with purpose and dream with clarity. The first waterfront Hilton branded residences. Hilton Residences, Dubai, Maritime City.